All right, hello fellow traders. Welcome to my channel. And it is April 20th, about 10 o'clock p.m. And this is a video to do a summary report for day number 9 of this journey. So if you're new, my journey, my goal or challenge is I want to do 20 funded $50,000 accounts from Apex. And we currently have 12 funded accounts, so we need eight more to go. So that is the goal of this challenge, and basically I trade live every day, and then I put out these end of day summaries where I show my profit and loss. And yeah, one thing that's really important to me is full transparency, showing my profit and loss every day, and just to make sure that I'm not pretending to do something and be something I'm not, which we won't get into that, but I feel like there's a lot of that on YouTube. Okay, so kind of a long day. I put out a video earlier on this, but Rhythmic had major issues today. Their server basically crashed and burned. And I think around 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, Rhythmic servers just blew up. That affected everyone that uses Rhythmic, which doesn't just affect Apex. It wasn't Apex's fault. So as of 10 o'clock, I can connect again and I can see my account and everything looks right. Thankfully, I was not in a trade. I actually had walked away from my computer and I came back just as it disconnected. I was actually getting ready to enter a trade. There was a big move down that I was missing, and obviously missing all of it, but so be it. So yeah, I just was messaging Daryl from Apex, and yeah, they are working with, they're basically going through all of the accounts and evaluating if your account was blown, because of this outage. I think they're going to make that right. But basically, they have to go through all the accounts and make sure that the balances are correct. And it's a long process. So I'm not sure, exactly how they're going to do that. But I trust that they're going to make it right. I don't know if they're just going to make sure that the balance is correct or whatever the balance was before the outage and just revert everything back to that, or I don't know. I don't know what they're going to do. So obviously that's a big decision for them, and I'll leave it up to them. But yeah, I can do my summary report. My profit and loss works. My trade performance, everything works. Still seems to be some issues. It doesn't seem like I'm getting live data. Well, I'm not. So I'm not sure why, but I don't really care. I'm just gonna, I might have to close NinjaTrader and open back up. Maybe then it'll work, but I didn't want to do that. I'm going to do this, and then I can upload it and have my day 9 summary done. So let's dive into it. So today, so kind of a summary of just how things have been going in the last since we started doing this challenge. You can see here cumulative net profit. Also just a little bit of information. I trade the 12 funded accounts with using trade copier, so I'm trading all of those at once at the same time. All my funded accounts are on the micros. My evaluation accounts, I have 7 accounts that are linked together. Then I'm also using trade copier. Those are using the mini contracts, and I trade the ES and CL. Those are the two things that I trade. But first day we had a really good day, $7,500 profit. Second day we had a $1,000 loss, and then we had a $3,200 profit, $2,400 profit, $1,700 profit, $1,900 profit, and then we had a $3,600 profit. And then yesterday we had our worst day so far, a $3,500 loss. Now that is a little bit conflicting with yesterday's summary. When I did the video yesterday, we were at a $4,600 loss. I did end up taking 2 trades after that video, and both were winners. So that's why this is 3,500 and this is the correct number. So we are going to generate, or we're going to move this date to 4/20, which is today. And for today, we had a $2,147 profit. So overall, happy with the day. Bouncing back after a big loss like yesterday is very important. Just getting my confidence back and seeing the market correctly. I was definitely seeing the market correctly today, but I also was taking a lot of scalp type trades, and I struggle with letting my runners run. Just kind of had that fear of having a big losing day, so I'm okay with it, something to work through, but I definitely need to be more patient with my trades, especially once I've hit my initial target price in that final contract. Letting that work and letting that run. I had one CL trade that I hit my profit on my first contract, and I put my stop loss where it was supposed to be. And my second contract, it started going against me, and I was like, I'm just going to take my profit because it's going to stop me out break even. And I took my profit. Well, guess what? It reversed from there and went in my direction another 30 points. So very just disgusted about that, but that's how it goes. That's stuff I need to learn from. I definitely need to get better. So I will definitely, continue to work on that. But overall, I'm happy with the day. Let's review the balances. We, on the evaluation account, we are on 4 accounts here. I don't know if you can see very well, but basically I have 4 of my 7 evaluation accounts that I'm trading currently, trying to get those funded. 4 of those I am $500 away from being funded. So we just need 1 really good day or 2 average days, and we're funded on those. And then I have 3 accounts of those 7. The other 3 are lagging a little bit. I still need about $1,100 on those accounts. So yeah, going well. My funded accounts, I'm just trading micros, so I'm really just hovering around break even. But today I took a little bit more trades on my funded accounts. I ended up the day like $54, I believe, profit per account. So I was happy with that as well. But that does it for today's summary. Thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoy this content, please like, subscribe, follow along. Again, I go live every morning and I'm trading live. So feel free to follow along if you want. We'll catch you next time.